What's up guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the brake pads on Jeep Cherokee. I'm going to do the brake pad replacement on the front side, and on the rear side I'm going to do only the brake servicing, but I will show you exactly how to change the pads. So we are going to start with lifting our car. To lift the car from the front, this is the jacking point for the Jeep Cherokee. So I'm going to use the floor jack at this point and lift the car from the front end. Before we lift the car, we have to lose the lug nut. It's a 19 mm socket, so let's do it. If you have noticed, I have put the wheel at the angle like this. The main reason behind this, so that we can access all the bolt of the caliper from behind easily. To remove the caliper, we have to remove the bolt at this end, and there is one more at the other end. It's using a 14 mm socket, so let's do it. To remove the pads, just pull the pad out straight like this and it will be straight out. And then remove all the old brackets for the pads. Now next step is to clean the caliper bracket at this end and the other end. Also do the same thing on the back side. So you use some brake cleaner, spray on, and use the wire brush and just remove all the old rust. Now I'm going to put the new pads. I'm using the Power Stock Evaluation Plus ceramic brake pads. It comes with all new hardware, so I'm going to put the brand new clips back. Now apply some silicone brake lube on these brand new brackets. Also apply some lubrication around the pads. Take the pad and just slide into the slots. Just like that, and do the exactly same on the other side. Before we put the caliper back, just apply some silicone at the side of the pads. It will help caliper to slide on easily. For the pad on the rear side, put it on the middle for the piston. Now remove the pins on the both hands. Hold the rubber with one hand and remove those pins. Use some brake cleaner and remove all the old grease. And now apply the new brake lube on the pin. Do the exactly same for the second pin. Now we have to push the piston back so it can fit on the new brake pads. To push the piston back, put one of the old brake pad across the piston. I have this piston retraction tool. You can buy this from Amazon around 15 bucks. So put this one inside between the slots. You just turn this handle and it will push the piston inside. Once piston is fully retracted, you can feel it. It's like it's not moving anymore. So that's it. Don't try to push more. Once the piston is retracted, we can go ahead and put it back on the rotor. So that's it, we have changed the pads. Now put the wheels back and drop the car. Make sure you use the torque wrench to torque the lug nut at 100 foot lb. Now we're going to service the rear brake. So we're going to do exactly same. Lift the tire from the back and remove the wheel. To remove the caliper on the back, we have to start with removing this nut. It's a 10 mm, so take the 10 mm wrench and just remove this one. This one is holding the bracket for the oil pipe, so we have to remove that one first. Now remove one bolt from here and another bolt from here, which is holding the caliper bracket. It's also 10 mm. Sometimes you have to use the plier to hold the bracket on the other side to remove the bolt. Now use the brake cleaner and wire brush and clean all the slots from the four corners. Once the bracket is clean, put the brand new clips back here. Since I'm doing servicing, I'm going to use the old one, just it's clean. Now apply some brake lube on the clips and also on the pads. Now apply some silicone brake lube on the pads. Now remove the pins from the both hands. Clean it using brake cleaner and re-lube it. Now we have to retract the piston. If you are putting the new brake pad, you have to go all the way to the flat surface. But since I'm using the same one, I will just do little bit. But we have an electronic brake in the back, so it's not same as the front one. We have to use the tool like this one. It's going to rotate the piston and it will retract itself. Now put this bolt back to the bracket which is holding the pipe. Now caliper is fully assembled. Let's put the wheel back and that's it. Our job is done.
Let's go.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like, share and subscribe below. See you next time.